Hi families, today I'm going to do a little video on a new website that I'd like us to start using. It's called MobyMax, and I will have all this information typed out, so don't worry if you can't see something. I'm just trying something new today. So this is MobyMax, and you're going to log on through mobymax.com/WA2140, and this will take you right to Mountain Way Elementary School, which has all the MobyMaxes that our school might be using. I don't know if other teachers are. This is just for me at this time. And then you're going to go to the As a Student login, and I will send out all your information. And so, Finley, I hope you're feeling like you want to be a helper because I'm going to use your login. So I'm going to go find it. If you want to take a little look, everyone's password's cat. It's pretty easy. And their username is their first name and like a combination of numbers they gave them. So Finley 831. Let's double check. Yep. And everyone's password's cat, so don't fret. And you're going to press sign in. And it will load and it'll say, hey. And it's really cute. This website I really like it. And it has resources for math and resources for reading. I kind of want us to start with the math because I did assign some lessons on here. And if you start in the math tab, then I think it will start giving you some math instruction that will go at your level. So it will have your kids do a little assessment and it'll see what they know and what they might need to work on. And then it will create lessons for what they need to work on at home. So don't help them. It reads the questions to them. So here, I'll have you show.
We'll start with your placement test. This is important. You'll want to focus and try your hardest so that you can start at the right level.
It sounds a little robotic, but it works.
Count by tens and fill in the blank. 30, 40, 50, blank, 70.
So then you think about it. You might have to help your child type in some of these answers. That could be an issue, but really focus on having them do the work and try their best. And then after they're done, it will give them some lessons on things they could work on. If I press the home tab over here, it's going to have me go back to kind of my home screen. I think it's supposed to look like an iPhone, but that's just what I think it looks like. And then, it'll say that we're still working on this, and that's totally fine because it's something that he needs to come back to. If I go to the little bookshelf over here, it has a lot of options. I'm going to have you kind of start to focus on the math tab, and I'm going to open up some other reading ones. But feel free right now just to kind of look around, see what you like. I'm new with this. I haven't used it before, but it's looking like a really good resource as we spend more time apart because I really want to go back to work and I want to spend time with all of my friends, but it's not looking like we're going back for a little while. I don't know anything else, but I just want us to keep working, keep our mind sharp, and this looks like a really good resource if you have the opportunity to use online resources. If you do not worry about it. I just want to open up something that you could do if you have the option. You are not required to do this. This is just if you're looking for more resources that would be directed just for kindergarten learners. There are some really cute games in here. You can message me through it. I had a parent message me earlier. Yeah, there's just a lot of really good resources in here, and it was completely free for me to use right now. And I just kind of want to provide as much as I can because I know you have a lot on your plates at home. So thank you so much for all you do. And if you have any more questions, feel free to message me. Thank you.